DJ Magic Kenny in the house. Yes, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today, we're not gonna talk too much. I'm just gonna share a few steps I believe that can help you grow your fan base, grow your following on social media as a DJ. So, before we get started, you know what to do already. Subscribe. And like this video, share it with a friend, share it with a DJ that you think is gonna need to hear these things that I'm about to say today. Before I get into it, it's only right for me to say thank you to everybody who's been supporting my channel, everybody who's been liking my videos. We have the 90s Dancehall who just reached 1 million views. Oh, it's because of you. It's because of you. Big up yourself. So I'm going to share a few tips, right? So the very first thing, which is kind of obvious, but it might not be obvious for everybody, but the very first thing as a DJ that you have to do, why do people come to DJ, right? Ask yourself this question. Why do they need a DJ? They need DJ to play music. They need DJ to celebrate for a birthday, for a wedding, for a celebration, any celebration. One quote that I came up with was, a great celebration requires great music. So the main reason why people come to DJs is for music. So as a DJ, how can you tell people you got music? To tell people you have music, you have to do mixtapes. So the very first thing as a DJ for me is really important to put mixtapes out there. That's why there's people that can tell you the very first week that I started to be a DJ, I started doing CDs to pass around the school. If you needed songs, you come to me, I'll make a CD for you. I got the latest songs. Your boy been hustling in the school. So I used to do that in high school. I didn't really do that in college because everybody had access to social media and the streaming platform. So in high school, I had the chance to do that. And I'm still doing that today. As you can see, my channel, I'm still providing you with I'm still providing you with mixtapes. And even if I'm producing songs, I'm doing my own songs now, but I'm still providing you with mixtapes. So for me, that's one thing that would really build your following, build your subscribers, build your fan base, is by providing people what they want. They want music, they want mix, they want vibes, so provide them with that. The next thing is business cards. You need business cards. You need flyers if you have to do for social media to have your information where people can book you. People know how to book you if they want to book you. For people to even know that you are a DJ, that if they're looking for, oh yeah, I saw a DJ, oh, I got a business card somewhere, you know? All the big businesses are still doing that. They're still passing out flyers. They still printing out flyers. Well, people don't really pass flyers. It's mostly social media. But you need that. That's why I said either flyers or business cards. I believe that both is still a great tool to use, which means if you go to a party, you could go to parties and pass out your business cards. You could go to restaurants and pass out your business cards. Even places pass out your business cards. And you can also have your flyers that's on social media. Business cards and flyers are really important. So for me, that's the second step that will really help you boost your fan base. The third thing I can say is be present. You don't want to be a DJ and you're not present. When I say being present, I don't mean you need to be on every party, you need to be going everywhere, you need to be in every single club in your city. That's not what I'm talking about, but you need to be present. There's certain parties that you need to attend. There's certain people that you need to connect with. If you want to take it on social media, which you don't even have, that's the beauty of the era that we live right now. You don't even have to leave the house. You can literally follow these people on social media, on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter. You could literally be on certain things. So don't be shy. Don't use your social media just so you can stunt on people, just so you could be acting famous, you could act cool and all of that. One thing I learned is if you treat Instagram as a hobby, then it's going to be a hobby. But if you treat Instagram as a business, it's going to be a business. It's going to grow as a business. So you cannot, let's say if you're a DJ and I'm a DJ, and for example, I'm one of your favorite DJ, or you like my style, you like the way that I DJ, what would be the best way for me to notice you first, even before you tell me, yo, I'm a DJ or anything? It's social media. The easiest way nowadays is social media. So all you have to do is literally comment under somebody's post. Comment under my post. I may not follow you back. I may not respond to it. I mean, knowing me, I'm probably gonna respond. But whoever that is that you commenting under their picture, they're probably not gonna respond. But at least people get used to your name. This is a very big tool. Social media, being present on social media, now it makes people more comfortable when now they see you in public. They're like, oh, I heard of you. Oh, I've seen you. Oh, it's that guy. I'm not talking about going under people's picture and then start writing your life and starting. No, I'm just saying, if you see something nice and you really like, don't just keep scrolling. You know, if you see something you like it. If you see something if you see a post that you have a little comment to make, then you can make it. And make sure you follow some people that are doing the same thing that you are doing or that you want to do in your city, in your hood, in your platform, in your country. This is very important. We live in the social media era, guys. So if you're not using social media to boost your brand, you're gonna have a very hard time growing your brand.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
On the ball. You all right?
And the last thing I can say is be nice. It takes $0 to be nice to people. Be nice. You cannot be a DJ that is supposed to make people have fun on the dance floor, have a good time, enjoy their life, and then you are asshole. You could be an asshole, but you have to be nice to people most of the time. Not saying obey whatever people say, but just say nice. Just be nice to people. Say hi to people. Give him a handshake. Give him a high five. You know, like, these are your supporters. Like, you a DJ, I understand you want to be a celebrity, you want to look cool, you want to be famous, you want to be all of that. But even waving your hand if you see somebody liking you, if you see somebody looking at you. You know, when you see people, when you go to the clubs, don't be in the club mugging and then, this ain't cool. That's not how you attract people. You know, this is not how you make people want to come to your business. That's why when you go to any shop or any big businesses, there's somebody greeting you. Hey, welcome. Hey, da 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 da. When you go and trying to buy a car, you trying to buy a house, everybody's super nice to you. This is why. So as a DJ, this is very important. You have to be nice. As anything, anybody who's a business owner, anybody who runs a business, you should be nice to people. That's the number one thing. If you're not nice to people, they're not coming back. So you can have a bad day. You can't be nice to the entire world. I know there's gonna be bad days, but always try your best to be nice to people. Give them the love that you want them to give you. You know, support their stuff. Share somebody else's work. Do these things on social media. Just share the love. Stay in love, and I promise you, your fan base is gonna grow, because even if people can say whatever it is, but they can never say that you wasn't nice to them. And that's gonna be the float, that's gonna be the boat that's gonna carry you throughout this business. So these are the things that, for me, I believe you can really do, guys, to help you build your fan base, build your followers. Again, the very first thing, do some mixtape, drop some mixtapes on SoundCloud, Audiomack, YouTube, whatever platform that you wanna use. The second thing I would say is print out some business cards, do some flyers for your stuff, for your work, on telling people how to book you and stuff like that. The third thing is be present. You know, don't keep scrolling on Instagram and you're not liking, you're not commenting nothing. Don't be not sharing other people's work. Like, share other people's work is fine. Give the love back, you know. Be present. Go to parties. Go out sometimes. You don't have to be at every party, but there's certain parties you have to be around. You have to make friends. You have to make connections. You have to know which promoters are in your city. Be nice to people, you know, communicate with people, say hi to people, give them a handshake. You don't have to be friends with everybody, but it costs $0 to be nice to people. So be nice to people. So these are the things that I want to share with you. I believe will help you grow your followers, your fan base, and be a strong DJ, build a strong brand. So make sure you subscribe, man. Let me know in the comment if this helped you. If you know anybody, if you got a cousin, you got a friend that's trying to become a DJ. I'm doing these little sessions right here for DJ beginners on how to really be strong in the business. So make sure you share this channel to them, share this page, share this video to them. It's probably gonna help them. Magic Kenny, you know the vibes. I'm out.